A Series A startup burns 50K monthly on junior dev salaries. You burn electricity. The gap isn't talent anymore, it's orchestration. Today, we prove one person can outperform a funded team using 3 open-source repos. For SaaS, venture-backed startups hire bodies to solve workflow problems. They need a PM to plan, a junior to code, and QA to break it. That's $15,000 monthly burn rate per feature, but intelligence is commoditizing. You don't need more humans. You need better loops. The solo unicorn isn't a myth anymore. It's an arbitrage opportunity. Meet OpenMOSS. This isn't a chatbot. It's a multi-agent collaboration loop. It plans, executes, and reviews code without human intervention. It replaces your project manager and QA engineer. While funded teams stand in daily scrums, your local agents are shipping commits. The cost? Electricity. The output? Production-ready code. SWASIs, quant trading firms charge $300 monthly for data feeds and signals. Atlas-GIC is a self-improving trading agent using auto-research. It gets smarter every loop. You don't need a financial advisor or a Bloomberg terminal. You need a repo that compounds intelligence. This is how you replace a finance department with a script. Here's why most solo devs fail at automation. They hard-code API keys or expose secrets to agents. One leak and you're dead. Enterprise uses AWS Secrets Manager. You can't afford the complexity, but you can't afford the risk either. Security is the friction killing the solo unicorn dream. Enter onecli. It replaces password managers and secrets managers for AI workflows. It gives agents access to services without exposing keys in plain text. One command secures your entire orchestration layer. Now you can run autonomous agents on consumer hardware without fearing a breach. Enterprise security at zero marginal cost. Or ACO. Most people build Frankenstein stacks. Allama here, LangChain there, Vector DB everywhere. It's fragile. The winners aren't building models, they're building orchestration. OpenMOSS, Atlas, onecli. These are opinionated stacks. They remove the glue code, stop engineering infrastructure, start engineering outcomes. Yuptais. Do the ROI. A funded team burns $200K yearly to build what you build for $0. Your margin is their burn rate. You don't need to raise capital, you need to raise efficiency. The David versus Goliath story isn't about slingshots anymore. It's about who owns the intelligence stack. Own the weights, own the workflow, own the market, or stop renting intelligence, start owning it. Like and subscribe for more.